Guys, feast your eyes on the class of 1976, and what a beauty this one is. Certainly the finest one I've ever seen. This one has been restored to the nth level. It really is like an OEM plus. It's like you took a brand new bike out of the crate and took it to the next level. It's as good as you'll ever get of an XR75 restored to just a, like when we rolled it into the showroom, my jaw dropped. That was just, what a absolutely beautiful motorcycle. The heart of this beauty is the original matching numbers XR75 engine, and the spec sheet on the rebuild is next level. Completely dismantled to the last nut, bolt, and bearing. The engine cases, the bare engine cases were ultrasonically cleaned, then media blasted, and then vapor honed. The clutch and the stator cover were painted per factory color, and the cylinder was bored and matched with the new Wiseco piston kit. The head was rebuilt and the valve seats were cut. All the hardware and shafts have new zinc. Every seal, every gasket, every bearing, and the cam chain and clutches were replaced, as well as any other part that was not in spec. All original parts were used wherever possible, and it is absolutely setting a new standard on how an XR75 engine should look after restoration, including the professionally chromed valve cover. All the new hardware or professionally chromed or zinc plated original hardware. The Kickstarter looks NOS brand new. Everything on the carburetor, the intake, even the intake was polished. The air box is pristine, mint original with a new air filter, and the exhaust system looks like the day it came out of the box. Actually, the day it came off the assembly line from Honda, because sometimes after sitting in a box for a few months, they don't look this good. I mean, it is really that nice. All of the running gear on the bike, every nut and bolt was polished, plated, or replaced. Every original sticker that came on this motorcycle has been reproduced and put exactly where it was when it left the factory, both on the swing arm, the rear fender, the side covers, the frame, the fuel tank has the warning stickers on there. The front end was really, I mean, here's a clue. I mean, open your eyes and look. It doesn't take long to see this front end is really something special. Not only has the rim been chrome plated, but the hub was restored and chrome plated. New chrome spokes, and the fork lowers were also chromed, as was the axle and all the nuts and bolts and hardware. It's just really a spectacular example. The forks are re-chromed and brand new, as is every chrome piece on this motorcycle, including the bars. And the entire rear wheel assembly on the bike got the same treatment the front did. If you look closely, you'll see the hub was professionally chromed. The brake backing plate was chromed. The brake arm was chromed. All the hardware's nuts and bolts are in washers and pins, and everything on this motorcycle is absolute freaking next level perfection. Just a stunning example. Now, the good news is I've got not only this one, but I also have done to the same exact standard by Scott Peters, the 73, the 74 behind me, the 1975 that we're looking at here, and also I have a 76 to complete the collection in 100% original, right down to the tires and chain. Maybe has 5 hours on it. We'll show you that one in the next video. So this collection of 4 is going up for sale on eBay. We're going to auction off the 73 first, then the 74, then the 75, and the 76, or maybe backwards. Maybe we'll start with the 76. I don't know, but they're all going to be sold, closing the same evening. Go to KaplanCycles.com. The listing will be up hopefully this weekend, if not early next week. Just a remarkable collection of 4 spectacular XR75s, and we also have one brand new, never been registered for the street, Honda MB50C, original, unrestored, with 1.8 miles on it. So it's not often, well, we'll never get another one of these. It's not often we have a brand new NOS motorcycle, but when it's a 1 year only, 2-stroke Honda, imported to the US 1 year, with the limited edition black and red paint livery on it. Most of them were red. Well, that kind of sets a new standard. So this one's really gonna ring the bell for some collector for sure. It's total unobtainium, as well as these XRs are. So if you have any questions, please call us, 860-454-7024. My son Kenny Jr. will help you out, finance this, and ship it right to your door. with zero hassle, 100% positive feedback from eBay after selling over 15,000 items online. So including over 10,000 new and classic motorcycles. If you have any question, call us, we'll hook you up. We're here, it's open 7 days a week this time of year if you want to come take a look at these bikes. Thank you for watching, and God bless America.